Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna be doing another lash video. What? Another lash video? Yes, another lash video. Yes, yes, yes. Just because I keep finding lash things that I want to try. So we are gonna be trying out Kiss magnetic lashes. Pre-curved, non-adhesive needed. No adhesive needed, reusable. So it comes with a set of lashes. One goes on top and one goes on the bottom, and then you put them on this thing, and then somehow you click them together and then they connect, so then you don't have to use like a magnetic eyeliner. Yeah, eyeliner to keep them on. So that's what we're gonna be trying out. This packaging is so shiny I can barely read it, especially because they use white text. See, it like reflects the sun in, so it's hard to read. Anyways, step 1. As you can tell, or you can't tell, I just naturally look this blushy and have red lips. I did my makeup besides my eyelashes. Also, my hair's wet, so don't look at that. Or do, if you like that. Anyways, this is what it looks like, as I showed before. Now it says, step 1, rotate applicator to load top and bottom magnetic lashes. Note, place magnetic lashes along the inner edge of each applicator curve. Both lashes should curve upward. What? Step 2, rotate applicator back to its original position. Step 3, place applicator so that natural lashes are in between the two magnetic lashes. Press down on applicator to connect the magnetic strips. Release applicator. When your thumb, oh my word, I cannot read today. With your thumb and index finger, slide magnetic strips horizontally apart to release the magnetic sail. I didn't understand one bit of that instruction. Something to do with the applicator thingy. This. Oh, it kind of looks like tweezers with a magnet thing inside. And this has a rotator. So what does it say? Oh, it wants you to do this. This is what it's talking about. Rotate the applicator to load the top and bottom magnetic lashes. Like that. But what if the lashes are too long? I need to clip my bangs out of the way. Excuse me, sir. Top. Whoa! The case has magnetic things, so that's why how they stay. That's cool. How do you know which one's top and which one's supposed to be bottom? Both lashes should curve upward. Oh, I think like this. Wait. Shouldn't there be 3 magnets on this? Oh, I already broke it. This one's magnet is not on. The instructions for this are not very good. Or I'm an idiot. Probably both. Ah! Dude, how am I supposed to connect you? I'm confused. This is really doesn't make any sense. I feel like one should be first. Yeah, they need to be facing it. Ugh, every time I try to take one lash off, it connects to the other lash and then pulls that one off the applicator. This is not good. Oh, wait, okay. It's gonna be like this. So that's gonna be the. Wait, what? This is way too confusing for my brain. I thought I was smarter than lashes. I guess not. Okay, I finally got the lashes on there. Then it says to move that back like that. I'm afraid they're gonna connect. What if these are too long? Okay, now I'm supposed to put my natural lashes in between and then squeeze. This is weird. I don't know what I'm doing. Aw. I didn't do a good job. Dude, the magnets keep falling off. These are crap. I like my other lashes better. They're so much easier. What the heck, dude? Lay flat. Okay, let's try this again. I don't know how I'm supposed to tell if I have my lashes in there. This is way too hard for my skill level. They keep connecting on the thing. I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay. Oh, no! They connected again! This is impossible! At least I know they connect. And the magnet came off. These are crap. I don't like these at all. I haven't even been able to get one on. 3 magnets came off. Okay, let's try this again. Are you going to work this time? Probably not. Don't do it. I can't get it on right. Or my eyeball is way too small. This is what it looks like. It looks like crap. Well, let's see if the magnet comes off if I pull these apart again. Oh, stayed on. I lost one of the magnets, so that's something. I can't get the magnets to glue back on. So I'm gonna say no, don't buy these. But I actually really like their falscara. I'm pretty sure that's from Kiss. Yes, it is from Kiss. Why you got one good product and a crap product, Kiss? Well, I guess everybody has issues. I'm gonna try and one more time and apply these with my fingers. Because you can't see your eyelashes, your natural eyelashes. To make sure you're putting it in the right spot. And these aren't bendy enough. Curved. These are supposedly curved. And they're not curved enough for me. I need more curve in my lash. No, this is too hard. I really wanted to get this right. Look at it. Now 2 of the magnets are gone. I guess I can't get it right because none of them have enough magnets. Unless I do 2 bottoms. Only the bottom ones have magnets on them still. You will work. You will work. Oh, no. Every time I pull, it comes on. Okay, I give up. These are all. I suggest you get their falscara mask eyelashes instead. They work real nice. But these magnet ones, no. No, thank you. I'll stick with my falscara lashes instead. I'm very sadly disappointed in these. I'm gonna put my other lashes on so you can see what those look like. Here's the falscara lashes versus my normal lashes. Beauty, grace. I love the falscara lashes. I'll do this eye real quick. I do have a full video on the falscara lashes if you want to see them. I'll link that up here. So it just comes with like a glue wand and you glue it underneath like mascara. Comes with these little clippy things. Here's my lashes. I only use 3 on each eye. Then you just take it and put it underneath. And voila. And voila. And one more. Voila frickin' law. Then you wait a little bit and apply the seal on the other side of the tube underneath. Look at that, so easy. So, would I recommend them? I hope you already know the answer to that. It would be no. Get their falscara ones instead. Highly recommend those. Don't recommend these at all. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Bye. Goodbye. What do you guys think of this? Should I get